Are you looking forward to upgrading your home with some new gadgets? You do not need to go anywhere. We've done good research and shortlisted some best home upgrading gadgets available on Amazon. Sounds amazing, right? The best thing is you can find links to all the listed products in the video description. Stay with us till the end of the video to find the perfect gadget for you. Let's get started. Number 1. Wood Phone Docking Station. This stand changes the way you keep your things in order. It's great for charging your phone and keeping your keys, cash, glasses, and even your watch close at all times. It's small, about 9.8 by 7.3 by 5.7 inches, so it'll fit nicely on your table or desk. The best part is that it is made of strong natural wood and has a finish that is safe for kids. This item has a nice shine and goes with any style of decor, whether you like classic or modern. It's very simple to put together, and any smartphone can use it. It also has extra space for all your small things. If you're sick of losing your things, this stand will keep them all where you need them to be. Number 2. STEEHOOM 3-Tier Utility Rolling Cart. This STEEHOOM 3-tier moving cart is very useful and great for keeping things in order. There are 3 boxes inside, and the top lid can be used as a small table. You can put it anywhere you want, like in the kitchen for cooking tools, on your desk for office supplies, or even by the door for your keys and phone. It's very useful. It's made of high-quality materials that make it strong, so it won't break easily. With 4 wheels, it's easy to move around without any trouble or heavy moving. It can be used in many ways. It can give you more desk space in the kitchen, more space to store things in the bathroom, or even a unique place to put your drinks at night. This cart has everything you need, whether you need more space to store things or just a place to put your coffee cup. It's like having a wheeled helper. Number 3. Heavy-duty NSF bin rack. This Seville Classics storage rack is a huge help for getting things in order. It has 7 steel wire shelves that are very strong and can each hold up to 71.4 pounds. You get 12 strong gray bins that are easy to slide in and out, as well as dividers and labels to keep things in order. The whole system is on wheels, so you can move it wherever you need to. The bins also have a tilt lock that makes them easy to get to. It's NSF approved, which means it's strong enough for business use and can hold up to 500 pounds. Number 4. Tree Bookshelf. The style of this bookshelf is a mix of modern and vintage, so it will look good in any room. It's tall and thin, so it fits well in the corners of your living room, bedroom, or study. It can hold up to 6 things like books, CDs, mags, and more, and looks like a small work of art. It's strong and stable because it's made of long-lasting board and has extra support for the backboard. It also has safety straps that keep it from tipping over, which is great if you have kids or pets. The clear guidelines and tools that come with it make it very easy to put together. It's also very easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth. Number 5. Office Konnect Desk Organizer. So this tray is great for keeping all of those little things on your desk in order, like the cords, sticky notes, and paper clips that are always getting lost. It has a barrier built in so you can keep different things separate, but in the same place. It's also possible to stack several trays on top of each other, which is great for saving desk room. It works with Konnect's Desk Organizer power base and other stacked items too, if you already have any of those. It's pretty much the best way to keep your desk clean and stress-free. Number 6. Retractable Hose Reel. The Giraffe Hose Reel is a cool product that comes with a 130-foot hose. It goes all the way around your yard and can be locked at any length. It rolls back up on its own with just a little tug. There are no kinks or other problems. The hose is very strong, won't leak, and can handle high pressure up to 600 psi. It's very easy to put together. Just a few screws and it can turn 180 degrees. It comes with a quick release handle that makes it easy to take down. It also has 9 different spray patterns that can be used for any task, like washing cars, watering plants, giving pets baths, and more. It changes everything about the garden. Number 7. Cole & Mason Fresh Herb Keeper. So the lid is clear, folds up, and has little air holes in it that let your veggies breathe and stay healthy. No more sad flowers that are dying. Plus the lid flips and slides, which is very useful because you can get what you need without damaging the leaves. It's made to fit right in the door of your fridge, so it takes up less room and keeps your herbs fresh for up to 10 days longer. Yes, 10 days! Plus it has 3 sections that let you store different herbs separately. It's kind of like a small herb organizer. It also has a max and refill water window that makes it easy to see when it needs more water. The people at Cole & Mason put a lot of thought into this. They make spice tools that keep food fresh and tasty in the kitchen all the time. Number 8. GEME World First Biosmart 19-liter electric composter for kitchen. The GEME electric composter will change the way you cook. Food scraps are not dried out. Instead, natural microbes break them down in just 6 to 8 hours, turning them into rich organic compost. This method is more natural and works quickly and well than tools that grind or use high heat. Being able to hold 19 liters of food waste, the composter is much bigger than smaller ones and can handle up to 5 kilograms of food waste every day. It's also quiet, doesn't smell, and is safe to use inside because it has a built-in deodorization system. The food trash is turned into 5% organic compost, which cuts it down to 95%. The filter doesn't need to be cleaned or replaced either because it lasts forever. You only need to put your food scraps in the composter and it'll do the rest. It's that easy, and it's great for families. Number 9. Zico Floating Shelves for Wall. They are not just shelves, they have a metal frame, side guards to keep things from falling, and even a towel rack. They look great in the bathroom and give you extra space, but you can really use them anywhere. Need a place to put your cooking spices? Or maybe some cute living room decorations? You can use these shelves anywhere. They're also really simple to put in. The box comes with all the screws and directions. Don't forget to use long screws on the wall and short screws on the frame. It's also easy to take them down. About 15.7 inches long and 5.7 inches wide, each shelf is a good size. You get 2 shelves that are already put together. They look good and will help you keep things in order. A great mix of style and usefulness. Number 10. Mr. Pen Space-Saving Hangers for Clothes. Mr. Pen hangers that save room are great for closets that are not very big. You get 8 hangers that are a fancy mahogany color and are not like other hangers. Each one can hold up to 5 pieces of clothes that can be stacked or hung next to each other. It's great for getting more stuff into small spaces like flats and dorm rooms, or just for cleaning out your closet. These hangers are made of strong plastic and are 16 inches long. They're very smooth and don't have any sharp ends that could damage your clothes. Any coat, suit, dress, shirt, pants, or even a bag can be hung on them. They keep everything clean, neat, and free of wrinkles, so it's easy to find your best outfit without having to dig through a mess. These hangers are a secret weapon for people who want to stay organized and save room. Number 11. GoMaihe Underbed Storage with Wheels. If you need more room, the GoMaihe 48-liter underbed storage is a game changer because it's the right size to fit under beds or in closets. You can store big things like coats, shoes, and blankets in it. It slides easily in and out without any heavy pulling thanks to its smooth 360-degree wheels, 2 of which can be locked. The helpful handles also make it easy to move around. It has a strong metal frame and long-lasting, easy-to-clean cloth that keeps things safe and clean. You don't have to dig around to see what's inside because the clear window on top lets you see it right away. The 2 zippers also keep things closed and dust-free. The GoMaihe storage container makes forgotten places like under a bed, sofa, or in a closet into well-organized treasure trove. It's an easy and quick way to make the most of your room and keep things neat. Number 12. Pot Lid Holder. Pot Lid Holder has 7 dividers that can be moved around to keep your lid standing up straight and separate. No more jumbled piles. Quickly get what you need. Don't worry about scratches either. The coated steel dividers are very soft, so your lids will always look brand new. It's also strong, so nothing moves around even when the lid is heavy. It also has soft feet that won't slip to keep it in place. It won't slide or surprise you. The best part in setting it up is that it's ridiculously easy. You only need to take it out of the box, connect the wires, and put the lids on it. Boom! The kitchen is clean in minutes. Which gadget did you find perfect for you? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the product links in the video description. If you enjoyed watching the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.